Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith with Moti-Vitality. Your water test kit has been on the floor of your car, in your trunk, on the doorstep, inside where you take your shoes off, probably on the basement, bathroom, or kitchen floor, and who knows where else. I really don't want your test kit on the countertop where I prepare my kids' lunches, and not to mention, I enjoy my new granite countertops. I really don't want them scratched or stained. That's why Moti-Vitality recommends carrying 2 clean white towels. One will be outside your test kit, so you can go ahead and place that down and lay your test kit on top of it. The other one will be inside your test kit, so you can set that out and place your chemicals on there and do your test so you're not staining the countertops. For more tips like this, please visit motivitality.com.